Dadating yung time na wala ng crisis, wala na rin masyadong opportunities. Pero mataas ang market. So what will happen? The poor people will now start purchasing because they are emotional. Yung mga mayayaman, we will start what? We will start selling. Kaya ang mga mayayaman, lalong yumayaman, at ang mahihirap, lalong humihirap, hindi dahil sa pera, kundi dahil sa tamang decisions. Poor people will decide based on fear. Will decide based on the hype. Kaya pag nagkapera, nagpapahype. Mauuwi sa luho. Gustong magmukhang mayaman. Bibili ng mga mamahaling bags, mamahaling items, just to look rich. But the wealthy people, the rich people, will invest in assets. And they know that the most valuable asset is them. It's you.